Yo, welcome to the channel. My name's DeeSimilar. The Black Ops 6 launch is just around the corner, which means KontrolFreek cooked up a brand new thumbstick. These are the official Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Performance Thumbsticks that can include not one, but two goodies you collectors will want to see. If you are interested in picking a pair of these up, you can click the link down below and use my code DeeSimilar, or you can scan the QR code on the screen and click the featured KontrolFreek link. That will automatically apply my discount code and save you 12% off any order, and I get a little kickback from that. It's a great way to help support the channel. So I thought I got gypped on my challenge coin, but I just noticed this on the package, and it definitely does feel like there is a coin in here. So I gotta be careful. I think I'm gonna open this from the top here. I think this is a safe spot to open this. It's kind of hard. A little sticky, but here is the challenge coin, which you only get if you order through KontrolFreek.com, which is another reason to use my link down below. We'll come back to it. We'll look at this. Set that to the side for now, and dig deeper into the package here. Yeah, so thumbsticks again, setting those aside, and behind this. This little gray card thing right here. If you guys get these, I believe this should be a Oh, I ripped it. Oh, I ripped it again. No. Okay, if we open this, I ripped it a third time. Oh my gosh. Anyone getting these? Pro tip, open this bottom part first up, because this just completely frees up the card, and then you can kind of open it up easily without ripping it too much. Kind of, maybe. Okay, there we go. The code is in that's the most important part there, and this will get you an in-game digital item. It is a weapon charm. It's like a gas mask. Might be like a prestige icon, maybe prestige 8, since it has like 8 little Roman numerals around it. Not entirely sure, but yeah, it's a little perk. Don't try to use this code because I've already redeemed it myself. Sorry, not sorry. And then the challenge coin, pretty similar design to previous challenge coins here. Oh, it actually has the that gas mask icon on the one side. Looks pretty nice, has some nice little hefty weight to it. And then the front is that Black Ops 6 Cerberus logo. You got the KontrolFreek Performance Thumbsticks, Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Activision 2024. And again, you can only get this coin if you order through KontrolFreek.com, which again, the link below will take you directly there. Now, on to the main attraction here, the thumbsticks. On the right, you got the 10mm high-rise thumbstick that helps you improve your aim, gives you better accuracy. And on the left, you have the 6.5mm mid-rise thumbstick, which gives you just as much grip and just as much surface area as the right stick, which is more important in Call of Duty than ever now because of Omni Movement. For those of you that are unfamiliar with Omni Movement, it's a new movement mechanic in Black Ops 6 where you can run, sprint, dive, do whatever in every single direction. You can slide backwards, dive sideways. It felt very fluid and was really cool in the beta, and having this on your left stick will improve your kind of mechanical input delay time, so you're doing all those movements faster and more responsive. But I gotta say, these look pretty great. They're very reminiscent of the kind of classic Ultra KontrolFreeks in the all black design. They look great on my Elite controller, which is all black in itself. Very, very sleek looking, and they feel great. That pretty much sums it up. Highly recommend you guys pick up some KontrolFreeks if you've never tried them. They do take some time to get used to, but they are totally going to improve your game. Again, if you want to pick up a pair, use my code DeeSimilar. You can click the link down below in the description or scan the QR code. Those will take you directly to these thumbsticks and automatically apply the discount code to save you 12% off any order. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comments. If you haven't left a like on the video, it would be greatly appreciated if you do so, and consider subscribing to the channel. That's gonna be it. Thank you so much for watching. My name's DeeSimilar, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.